What is going on, guys? In this video, I want to go over a couple of different stocks that are going to pay monthly and that are stocks that not absolutely everybody talks about. There's a few in here that you're probably going to know. So with that being said, and these are all high paying dividend stocks. With that being said, let's jump into this video.
I've been getting dirty money.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's gonna help you guys, whether it's long-term, short-term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video. So first one I'm going to start off with is a real estate one, AGNC. I'm sure everybody's heard of this one if you've looked up monthly dividends and stuff like that. This one right now you are looking at, and I don't think these change here. So max overall, again, we like to look at the max overall of this stock, not just the dividend, because if your money's just depreciating the whole time and you're just getting dividends, you're really just breaking even. So with that being said, dividend yield here of 8.87. So actually a pretty high dividend when it comes down to it. This one is a real estate, so they're going to work in commercial real estate with these. I do not personally own this one. I have done another video where I fully break down AGNC. There'll probably be a link below if you guys want to go into that one, but that is a monthly paying one. Next one up on our list is going to be GAIN. And this one you guys have actually probably heard of, I'm assuming. This one's actually done quite well since it dipped in 08, like everything did in the market. And then now it's consistently pulled back up. Again, 2020 happened. And then it's consistently getting back up there to that $15 range. Now this one's dividend is a little bit lighter. Not going to lie here. 5.96. So you're getting about a 5.9% return on your money when it comes down to it, when it comes down to just the dividend. Overall, I do like this one, and again, I like going over this with everybody just so you guys kind of know and how to find it yourself. If you guys go to NASDAQ, it will find this. It's on the left-hand side, historical dividend. My internet's running slow for some unknown reason, which is not a good sign for me, but we're going to pull this one back in here. So dividend yield is 5.99%. Like I said earlier, you're going to get about 7 cents per month. Now, don't get me wrong, you're obviously going to see in some months here you got 3 cents. And again, this is not one that I'm putting a lot of eggs in the basket for. Again, maybe sometimes you get a 9-cent dividend. That's okay, and you get a lot of 7s. But it's this 3-cent dividend here that would really upset me as an investor. Just kind of understanding here. Now you guys got to remember though, GAIN is not a real estate stock whatsoever. Now this one is a BDC company. And again, if you guys don't know what a BDC company is, it's basically a business development company that takes stocks that cannot actually go live on the market because they're not quite big enough yet. They're kind of those middle to small class or business ranges. And they lend them money in order to make more money off of them. Now you're going to think, why would anybody do that? Why wouldn't they just keep building? It's because this is how they get their investors. Companies like GAIN here will go in, and this is a Gladstone company here. So remember that Gladstone's a big company. They've got multiple stocks on here. They do pretty well. For $15 a share, getting about 7 cents a share is actually not that bad. It's not PTY where you're getting 12 to 13 cents or 11 cents now for a $20 stock, which is obviously just a little bit better of a return compared to this 6% gain, which is okay. Next one up on the list, we're just going to go straight down the line with these. SJR, because I know not a lot of people are going to hear about this one. I'm going to go ahead and let that load real fast because my internet is being super slow. And we're going to go straight into these. So SJR, Shaw Communications. So this is actually a Canadian company that, as you can see, over the past year has jumped up dramatically. Now, let's go back and look at the overall. They've done this a few times here where they get these big pushes, then they fall back down. This company has been around for quite a while. It's only going to put out about a 3.24% dividend. But again, it's going to be that monthly. I do actually like this. Now, they had an acquisition here. That's why you're seeing this. They acquired another company in order to help growing their infrastructure and having other principals. So I do actually like SJR. It's actually a pretty solid company. It's about $30 realistically for rounding, and you're going to get about 7 cents per share every single month. Basically 8 cents a share. But I like to say if it's going to show the 7, I'm going to say 7 every time. As you can see here, and 4/14/2020, they only did 7 cents, but consistently they have been over that 7 cents. So just remember that. Again, not a bad company whatsoever. Shaw Communications, it's just like investing into a Verizon Wireless or an AGNC, but they're going to pay monthly. So another one next up on the list, because I want to make this video as short as possible considering we have multiple stocks to go through. Another Gladstone company. So good. Gladstone Commercial Corporation. Now, this is Gladstone's REIT when they have it. Now, again, because we like looking at the actual dividend and what we're getting paid for, not just the dividend yield. And again, both are very important. This one's going to average about 7.06%, which is actually a very solid return, about $1.50. As you can see here on your annual dividend, which is quite well. It's going to pay monthly. You're going to pay You're going to get about 12 cents for $21. This is actually not bad. And if I'm investing into real estate, I actually don't mind this one at all. It's a lot better than the other couple of REITs that I have talked about. And I know a lot of people like O Realty, and I'm going to talk about that one. Actually, we're going to go on ahead and we're just going to skip to O Realty because I don't like that one. For the most bang for your buck is probably going to be good when it comes down to it. Now, again, this right here, it's been consistent. You know, if you can be buying it in around the $20 area, it looks like it's a solid buy. If you can get it under $20, it looks to that $15, it's a great buy based off of history. Now, again, back in 08, everything fell, and if you were scooping it up for $7 and $8, it was an absolute excellent buy. Congratulations. I didn't get any of that. I was not trading stocks in 08. But you guys can obviously probably tell that if you're watching this. Good. Overall, probably a pretty good commercial corporation. It's basically a REIT. Let's be honest with you. It's real estate. If you guys want to do more digging, go do more digging on this. But it's good. It's 12.5 cents basically every single month. I actually really do like this company, and I do plan on buying some more in my own portfolio. Again, but I'm big on I do not buy these tops. So right as of this second, I'm waiting for it to drop a little bit. I like buying on red days. If you guys have not learned to start buying on red days, it helps dollar average your stocks out tremendously. And it doesn't make you feel awful when you buy on a green day and the next 3 days are red when you're looking at your portfolio. So we're going to go on ahead into this next one because not a lot of people are going to know this one either. And it's Pembina Pipeline Corporation. I may have missaid that. Again, this company's been around for quite a while. This one's actually a solid one that not a lot of people talk about. And I'm actually surprised because if you do some digging, they're a pretty solid company. This is another Canadian company. So you're going to get about a 6.35% dividend yield out of this. You're going to get about 16 cents per share dividend here as of here lately. It looks like the dividend has went up, as you can see, over the past years, which is always a good sign. When you're looking for these dividend companies, it's always a great sign when the dividend keeps climbing. I actually do hold a few shares. I don't hold a ton of shares of this one. I like this company a lot. I haven't done a video. I will do a video if somebody comments below. PBA review needed. I will go on ahead and make a video going over this one. Again, do your own due diligence. PBA is actually a solid company though. Again, we don't like just to look at the year to date because that's going to be quite deceiving. Yes, it's consistently going up, and PBA does seem to consistently go up, but it doesn't get absolutely killed in 08, and it continues to trend up with the market, of course. 2015 took a little bit of a hit, and then 2020, obviously everything took a hit, and now we are back up into that $30 range. I do see this one in the future back into the $40 range more than likely. I do think $30 is a solid buy overall for price-wise on this one, or it's an okay buy. This isn't one where if it's $30, I am pounding my money into this one, trying to buy more shares. I would be dollar averaging into this one as well. It's not a steal yet. But on to the last one this is the last BDC I'm going to have on this video, and it's Main Street Capital. If you guys haven't seen my video on this one, go do it. You guys are more than welcome to go over this one. Again, overall, it has consistently went up. There's nothing wrong with this stock. It has consistently. It's about a 6% dividend, which is not bad overall. So again, we like to go over these. And again, this is my opinion, guys. I am not a financial advisor or anything like that. I've just been investing my own money since I was 18. I've made a lot of money doing it. I'm very happy doing it. I like dividend stocks, and this one actually just raised its dividend up to 21 cents a month, 21 cents per share a month. So you got a dividend yield of about 5.93, which is pretty good, 2.52 annually. PE ratio 911, which is that's kind of seems like bad luck there. But it's consistently going back up, and it never really took a dip, which is a really good sign for me, and they've been doing it for years. I don't hate this company whatsoever. I actually like it, and I'm looking to pick up more shares if we can get this stock to fall. I'm not buying it at $40. That's my biggest thing, is I will not be buying this at $40. So when it comes down to it, what is the next one here I have on my list? So that is actually all of them. Real estate is the only other one I have, and the biggest reason I want to go over this one is because yes, the dividend yield is 4.31%. That's not great when it comes down to other. If you wanted to go do another one, PBA was a better choice, SJR was a better choice, Main Street was a better choice. There are multiple other real estate companies. Good was a better choice. Guys, go back, go through them, write them down, put a note sheet, and when I literally say I have a note sheet, I have a note sheet on my phone that literally has just a list of stocks that I go back over, go check, go through, and these are monthly dividend paying stocks. Now this one is a little bit more volatile, it looks like, and it is kind of downtrending right now. So this may be a good choice to kind of get a starter position in it if you can get it near that $20 range and just consistently let it compound. Now if you're taking money out of these already, either you're retired or you don't need to be investing yet. Those are the two choices you really have to make if you're already pulling money out of these stocks. Unless you're putting them into other stocks instantly to get other cash flow, then I'm okay with it. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys have any questions about this and you want me to go into more detail, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 really solid companies that we went over here that I feel comfortable putting money into any of them. Again, like I said, timing might be a thing. Not everybody's good at timing the market. We all lose sometimes when timing the market. So if you are a regular dividend investor and you have a check every week and you put a certain amount of money in every week, go and start putting money into companies that you feel comfortable with. If you want the monthly dividends, there's more than what I just said on here. Go to my channel. I've done a lot of reviews on these. Let me know if I can do anything for you, and I will see you guys